So for those that watching on YouTube on my channel, so please write down your name so that I know that you're joining my online class right now. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining my class today. So today we're going to do practice on differentiation on subtopic 9.2 rules of differentiation and 9.3 differentiation of exponent, log and trigo. Okay, so how we do this practice? So I will play quizzes on my laptop. So I will share screen. We share my screen. So we will discuss the question on the quizzes together. So can you see my screen that I share?
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so you can get ready with your paper and pen if you need to write down anything. And get ready if I want you to share your answer. Okay, so we recall how to the basic rules for differentiation. So if you want to differentiate fx, so can you give me the right answer for this question? Which one?
Biru terang.
Number two.
Number two.
Okay, number two.
Number two, madam.
Okay. Okay, good. So this is only basic. So next, okay. So here you have trigo. So trigo function. Okay. So which one is the best? Is the right answer for this function?
4.
4. Okay. How?
Number 4.
Anyone else have the different answer? All of you agree with number 4?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So we see. Okay, good. So the answer is the number 4. Okay, now you have in case during exam you have different variable instead of x and y. So you have p and q. So you have function p in terms of q. So you need to differentiate with respect to q. So here, okay, what should I do first? What should you do first? So you need to rewrite the function p. You need to bring the denominator to the denominator on the top, and the power will be power of negative. So the third, you need to convert into power of 1 over 2. Okay, then you can proceed to differentiate. Okay, so how can I differentiate this one? The power?
General power rule.
General power rule. Okay, so power, what is the start? Power, bring to?
The front.
Okay, bring to the front, and then you need to copy down all in the bracket, and then the power will
-1.
minus 1, and then you need to differentiate
Differentiate the Q.
differentiate the one inside the bracket. So differentiate Q plus 9 will you will get 1. Okay, then you can simplify. So Q plus 9 you can bring down, so you have power of originally is negative 3 over 2. So if we bring down, so it's the negative is become positive. Okay, so the answer should be okay, the
Number
second.
2.
The second. Okay, the second one. Okay. Okay, so here you have function with x power of 3 and 2x power multiply with e power of x. So x power of 3 you can differentiate, I think the question is typing error. It should be dx. You differentiate with respect to x. Okay. So x power of 3 you can differentiate normally, but 2x e power of x you need to use which rule? Which rule, guys? What is the name of the rules? If you have something times something, rules?
Product rules.
Product rules.
Product.
Yes, product rules. Okay, so you need to use product rules here. Okay, so we focus on the one that need to use product rules. So 2x e power of x, because you need to see that the it's like two function multiply. So you need to use product rules. So you can differentiate. You can pick in u, and the other part is v. And differentiate u with respect to x is 2. Differentiate v with respect to x is exponent. Differentiate exponent. If you have e power of x, you copy down e power of x, and then you need to multiply with derivative of x. So it's equal to 1. So e power of x times 1 is e power of x. And then you can substitute into the product rules. So what is the formula? What is the formula you got, guys?
UV prime.
UV.
2 prime.
U
UV
v prime plus
VU prime.
vu prime. Okay, so copy, substitute all the 4 terms. So v is e power of x, u prime is 2. Okay, then we can, so this is the 2x e power of x derivative. So for x power of 3, if you want to differentiate, so you just use the basic rules. So so we compare with the answer. So which one to be picked? So remember there is negative negative in front of the, so it should be 3x square minus 2x e power of x minus 2 e power of x. Okay, so the solution you need to factorize e power of x. So factorize e power of x, you will get 3x square. You can factorize 2 e power of x. Okay, so you will get x plus 1. Okay, x plus 1. Okay, okay. So okay, so it should be the first one.
The first one.
Okay. Okay. So be careful with the question that you need to factorize. So you need to have skills in factorize. Okay. Okay, now you have trigo again. But now your trigo have power. So the trigo sign is power of 2. So this one you need to do general power rule. So general power rule, you need to make sure you rewrite the function in the power of 2 you can bring outside of the bracket. So then you can proceed with the general power rule. Okay, then so for general power rule you need to bring the power to the front and then copy down all the expression in the bracket, and then the power must reduce with reduce 1. So the power is become 1, and then you need to differentiate. So we need to differentiate the one inside the bracket, which is the angle. Sorry, the one inside the bracket is sine 3x plus 2. Sine 3x plus 2. Okay, then to differentiate sine 3x plus 2. Okay guys, how to differentiate sine 3x plus 2? Differentiate, what is the derivative of sine?
Cos.
Okay,
Cos.
cos. Okay, good. Cos, and then you just copy down the angle, and then don't forget to multiply with the derivative of the angle. Okay, so you will get differentiate 3x plus 2, you will get 3. So 3 will times with 2, so you have 6 sine 3x plus 2. After this, after we finish discuss these quizzes, I will give you tests on quizzes also. So make sure you can recall what I just taught just now. Okay, so
Okay, madam.
okay, good. So which one?
Yellow one.
The yellow
First
one.
one. Yellow one.
Okay, the yellow one. Okay. Okay, so okay, here you have lawn. Okay, so what is the first thing you have to do if you have this function? The power. What we need to do with the power? You need to change into
power 1/2.
yes, you need to change into power 1/2 first, and then the power the expression you can use law of log. So power can bring to the front, and then you can proceed with the differentiation. Okay, so differentiate of 1/2 ln x power of 3 plus 2x. Okay, so 1/2 is a constant, so the constant will remain. And ln, differentiate ln x power of 3 plus 2x. Okay guys, dapat what is the derivative for ln?
1/2.
Okay, 1/x power of 3 plus 2x, and then you need to what else you need to do?
Differentiate the
Okay, differentiate the one inside the ln. Okay, so please remember this step. Okay, next, differentiate x power of 3 plus 2x. So you will get 3x squared plus 2. Okay, so you can try to, you can see all the, which, okay. Okay, so which one should we pick? Okay, 1/2, 1/2. So the yellow one.
yellow.
Okay, now, okay, so can you give the answer for this question? The derivative?
For
Okay, which one?
The red one.
The red one. Okay, everyone agree?
yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay, now you have ln, and inside of ln you have fraction. So if you have fraction, it's better for you to use law of log to transform, to convert the expression into something else that easier for you to differentiate. If not, if you stay with this form, you might need to do quotient rule. So quotient rule a bit long, so we try to avoid that. Okay, so we can use law of log. So change, if you have ln's fraction, so it will become something, it will transform into minus, ln minus ln. Okay, then after that you can differentiate. Differentiate one by one. So differentiate ln 2x plus 1, differentiate, you will get 1 over 2x plus 1, but you need to multiply with the derivative of 2x plus 1, which is 2. Okay, differentiate ln, the other one is 1 over 1 minus 2x, and then you need to differentiate 1 minus
Negative
2x, so negative 2, yes. Okay. So minus is positive. Okay, so what is the answer? Okay, so the last one, is it Okay. So I'm not sure what is wrong.
Minus N.
Tadi medium. The plus.
Jawapan dia tadi saya
Tadi tekan negatif. Tak tekan simbol plus.
patutnya okay. So here it should be plus. Minus is plus. Okay. Okay. So I made mistake. Okay. So here you have ln. Okay. So differentiate 1/3 ln x. You will get which one?
First one.
The first one. Okay, the first one. Okay, now okay, you have exponent plus 2x. Okay, power of 3. Okay, so you need to use general power rule. Okay, general power rule. Okay, so general power rule, you need to okay, bring the power to the front. Okay, power bring to the front. So 3 power of ex plus, bracket 2x power of 3 minus 1 is 2. And then you need to differentiate the one inside the bracket. The expression inside the bracket. Okay, then, okay, so differentiate exponent, e power of x, you will get e power of x. Differentiate 2x, you will get 2.
2.
Okay, so which is it the same? Okay, so which one is the correct answer? Okay, number
2.
number 2.
Number 2.
Okay. Okay, so again you have ln and fraction, and so you can. Oh, I think the same question. So it should be plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. So here. Okay, so you have trigo. Trigo and the angle. The angle you have third. Okay, so if you want to differentiate trigo and the angle is having third, so you can okay, you can convert first the power, the angle into power of 1/2. Okay. So then, okay, then you can differentiate cos. So differentiate cos is negative sign.
Negative sign.
Okay, and then you copy down the angle, and then you need to differentiate. So differentiate the angle. D over dt, T or X divided over dt. Okay, so okay, you need to copy down all the angles. So all the angle is included with the power. Make sure you didn't miss the power. Okay, so differentiate the angle. So power bring to the front, and then the power reduce 1. So negative 1/2. And then you need to differentiate the one inside the expression inside the bracket. So 10, 10t. Okay, then you can simplify. So 10 and 2 simplify. So negative 5 sine 10t plus 12 power of 1 over 2 multiply with 10t plus 12 power of negative 1 over 2. Okay, so you can compare with the options with all the choice here. So negative 5. Okay, so it should be the last one. The fourth answer. Do you agree? Do you agree? The fourth?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
betul.
Yes. Okay, now this is the easy one. Differentiate 2 pi. Differentiate 2 pi is equal to apa? Differentiate 2 pi. 2 pi is a constant. Differentiate constant is
Zero.
zero lah. Zero. Differentiate constant is 0. Okay, now if you have fraction and your variable is in the denominator, so it's better for you to move the variable on the top. Okay, I think you you try. Okay, and then you share what the answer should be choose to
The second one.
the second one. Everyone agree with your friend's answer?
Agree.
Second one.
Yes.
Agree.
Okay. Okay, here. So this okay. So can you so which one is the answer? The first, second, third, or fourth?
First.
Sorry?
First.
The first. Okay. Anyone else having the different answer? Yes or no? So you agree with the first one?
Agree.
Yes.
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 Okay. Okay, how about this one? So still using the general power rule. I think you need to okay. Anyone have the answer?
The first one.
The first one. Okay.
The first one.
The first one. Okay, so the first one. Okay, good. Okay, so this one quite easy. Okay. So you need to the denominator, the variable is in the denominator, so you can bring on the top, but the power must become negative. So
The fourth one.
the fourth
Four.
one. Okay, the fourth one. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, so now you have fraction, something divide with something, function divide with function. So you need to do you need to use rules. So what rules should we use?
Quotient.
Quotient. So you need to use quotient rule. Okay, so you need to pick the U and V. So U must be on the top, V in the denominator. Okay, differentiate U, differentiate V, and then you need to substitute into the formula for quotient rule. So what is the formula? Quotient rule.
Prime minus
V U prime
minus UV prime
minus
UV
UV prime over
over
V square.
okay V square. So you can substitute. U prime is 3x square. So U is x cube, V prime is 1. And then you can divide with x minus 1 square. Okay, so we can compare with the answer. Okay, you need to simplify. So 3x cube minus 3x square minus x cube over x minus 1 square, and then 3x cube minus 3x cube and 3 minus x cube, 2x cube minus 3x square divide x minus 1 square. Okay, so the
Wait,
sorry, first, second, third, fourth,
what?
the fourth. Okay, everyone agree?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, now you have tangent and trigo. So differentiate tangent. Differentiate tangent, you will get. So what is derivative of tangent?
Second square.
Yeah, secant square. So differentiate tangent, secant square, and then you need to copy down the angle. So secant square, 3x square plus 2, and then you need to differentiate the angle. So 3 to 6x. Okay, so the answer will be the first of the fourth.
First.
The first. Okay, the first.
First.
Okay, differentiate ln. Okay, differentiate ln. Which one? First, second, third, fourth. For this is the basic. So the function inside the ln is you don't have to transform. You don't have to use law of log. No, you just differentiate je. So the answer is
2.
sorry,
Number 2.
number 2. Okay, everyone agree? Number 2.
Yes.
Okay, number 2. Okay, now you can use general power rule. So general power rule. Okay, anyone having the answer? So to bring to the front and then copy down the bracket, and then you need to differentiate the one inside the bracket. Okay, then you need to expand because the answer is in terms of after expand.
The second one?
The second one. Okay, anyone else? Do you agree? Do you agree? Second one?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, second one. Okay, so now we finish discuss. Okay, right now I want you to do some tests. Okay, so I will start a live quiz. Okay, so I'm using everyone get ready with your phone or laptop to join this quiz. Okay,